Today's recipe is curry coconut chicken. Alright, in a large skillet over medium heat, we're going to heat up some oil. And then we're going to take some chicken breast that we've cut up and we're going to sprinkle it with some curry powder and add this to our skillet. We're going to coat our chicken with the curry powder and we're going to brown this in our skillet. Now you can, in this recipe, you can also use pork, you could use shrimp if you like. Get this all cooked through, and once it's all cooked through, we're going to remove it from the pan and we'll set this aside and we'll add some more oil and we'll heat that up and we're going to add our vegetables. I'm going to add some onions, some red peppers, and some broccoli. And then we're going to add some more curry powder. And we are going to saute this until the vegetables are tender, around 4 to 5 minutes. Now you can use any kind of vegetables you like. Use up what you have in the refrigerator, use it up. Carrots would be good, mushrooms would be good as well. Now, after our vegetables are tender, we're going to add some garlic. And then we're going to add our coconut milk. And our Knorr Sidekicks Chinese fried rice package. And we're going to combine that all up. We're going to bring this to a boil, and once it's at a boil, we're going to cover it and simmer it for around 7 minutes until the rice is cooked. Stir this occasionally. And once your rice is cooked, we're going to add the chicken back to the pan. And we'll incorporate that all together. And we'll heat that all through again. And then it's ready to serve. Please comment below and I'll respond to all your comments. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.